our celebrator, Ma'am Tessie. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 50th birthday of Tessie. We are here to gather for our Thanksgiving of life at her 50th birthday. This afternoon is a celebration and a Thanksgiving of life that is given to our lovable celebrator. Without further much ado, the woman of the hour. Let's all welcome the golden girl, Miss Tessie.
Ayaw pa eltang ko ano? Ayaw.
With our lovely Tessie song at her 50. Other 50. Okay, I know that. Auntie Etang. I is very proud of what you become.
Birthday girl!
Baka naman 50 si Rosette.
What you have become now. I'm so proud of you.
Birthday girl, what's
Let's move to our next part of our program. We will need Divine Providence. May I call in Ma'am Nanen Jose for our opening prayer. Next, the blessing of the food.
Basta impromptu todo.
Impromptu si Todo. Yung kaya impromptu sa...
Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Lord, thank you for this wonderful day you have given us. And thank you for this gift of life, especially to my cousin naman kay Tulin. a man who will take care of her. Thank you.
Happy Easter, everyone. Okay, before we are going to have our merienda dinner, may I call in the lovely sister of our celebrator, Telma Dose, to render a song number. Impromptu sa todo, impromptu. Guys, yan, todo sila ma. Ida mo na iskondis-kondali. Ida mo na iskondis-kondali. Happy 30th birthday.
Happy birthday, sis.
Di tayo di amon tutor since bata pa.
Ready sa lawayon. It's okay to win. I love you so much and happy birthday.
More birthday to come, and siguro hindi pa manggaulin atrasaw mo.
That day you start joining T1 is being a great help to us. You know, kung baga just one call ahay man, you always give time. Nag-iapon mga outreach. You have a great heart. You have a big heart for the kids. Thank you. Amistad.
Okay.
I wish you the greatest happy birthday ever.
Na di amon clan, di mga makul. Ere damon founder. Nung kere ere, recipe kay ere founder. Kaya di amon daw founder. Mag-work sa pa. Pero, yan recipe kami ayer. Bad gayon news. Kaya di amon founder. Yan passed away. The very moment na yan naman si Sabrina na CPR yan lang daw asa yablera galing na siya. So aratan rin buhahan kami doon. Ben ka na mo sa katrono. Total gift yaman to. Ayan! Happy birthday, ma. Kumukosa pa sa nadiadong founder, dapat nadiadong mga age. Man-take care ka kita nadiadong sa buhay. Amo lang yung si Manlish Contigo. Take care because we love you. Kung kere kami man, kwan pa wala, uno pa founder niya. Love you, man.
No, you are so selfless. How to be you? No? Maski hindi man iyo el favorite kasi.
Talia también. Talia
Hindi
también.
hermana kayo disuyo ang gayot akas.
So, amo kasi yung siya ko na niyo tata. Kasi pakilaya na niyo tata kanila din. Palangga na si mga apo. So, amo kami mo agay ang taas kanila.
All the things that you've had in mind will always come into reality. Otra vez, pone Pierni na diaton corazón de maski cosa pasa debe el Dios de Todopoderoso Pierni na medyo para pwede kita recibir el mga bendición aún ngayon. Gracias. Dios nos bendiga.
On her 50th birthday, give her the strength, the courage, and of course, good health always as she is going to face a lot of obstacles in her life. May her love life still be fruitful despite everything. We're asking you in your name, amen.
Day to you. Ay, talaga niyo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Master. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Pida kay. So touched.
Pero si trapit yung pose, kung pag-iwatry po, ayan, nakuha. Nakakuha na... Pero... Party.